Do you want a fall damage script that is going to work with any type of ragdolls? Well, this video is for you. Now for the setup, what I want you to do is go to this video's description, then you're going to get a model from down there. I'm going to be dragging this inside of the server script service for security reasons. And here's the thing. What this code does is actually listens whenever a player's character was added. What does this mean? Well, it detects whether a player's character has been added, whether the player respawned or has just joined for the first time. What we're actually interested is this thread right here, which starts a function, and this actually is just a big loop that is going to trigger every 0.25 seconds. Like, you guys can read this right here. Yeah, I know that you can. And this current velocity variable is what I would like to call the control variable. Is going to get the root parts assembly linear velocity. God damn, it sounds quite complicated. Well, now it's just a value that describes how fast the player is falling. Now if it's a falling, this thing is going to be always a negative on the UI, and we're going to be detecting if the current velocity is less than 65. In this case, you guys can change this. And what it's going to do, it's going to trigger another loop, which is going to wait until the player touches the ground, which is going to be near to 0, because if an object doesn't move, it has the velocity of 0. Like, come on, it's quite obvious. And it's going to calculate the maximum velocity. Now if the maximum velocity is greater than the safe velocity, which is again 65 in this case, how did I come up with this number? Well, whenever a player jumps, his velocity is somewhere between -50, -51, something like that. Then it's going to get translated to damage. And yeah, that's going to be this entire script. I'm going to hit play. Let's see if it works, and I'm going to hit R1 on my keyboard, and it does. And what if I didn't ragdoll? Let's see the other test. It will still work, which is extremely great.